Alright, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV, people. Dujan Richards again. Now he has finally left Jamaica on to Europe for trials. As you know, it was heavily reported that he's heading to Newcastle for trials, but also other areas of Europe. Please, guys, do smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you're here for the first time. If you're not getting the notification for the videos, people, go and subscribe and then hit the subscribe button again and turn on your notification bell. That's a major issue, something that we've been facing for a long while. And before getting to the information, I want to give our channel members some shout out. Big up. So these are the channel members. We have 5 members on the channel so far. 5. But these persons have definitely helped. It's not much, but it really helps. So help me keeping things going. Even when we don't get no money, I be sure say these 5 persons have contributed. The original Zilla, as you can see, we put them in a ranking of a military ranking. I'm getting the people, a military ranking and get because it's a military squad, move to a squad, to a platoon, from a platoon to battalion, then to a entire military. Hopefully we can get up to 20 person, up to 100 person. If we can get 100 person, we can tell her. Yeah. So the original Zilla, big up. Jeremy and Swaby, big up as well. Paul Rose, big up. And David Beckham, big up. Feda 5, massive respect to all of those members. And thank you very much for the support. Your true, genuine support for the longest time period. Really appreciate it. And as you can see, put a rank structure to it. Yeah, you like that. You don't know. A military person, people love that. You know, man. We love the army. A soldier for life. Anyways, people, this is actually a kind of a congratulations and a bit of a motivation video. So it's nothing, I'm going to go good into the details of nothing. No, nothing like that. I want to say, well done to the young man. Really rough journey he has been on so far. And the opportunity has now arrived. And I want to tell you to take it with both hands. Take it with both hands. I started seeing Dujan Richards when he was playing on, I think it was Colts and Cali under 16. That's when I know. That's when I met him. Under 16 Colts. That's when I know about Dujan Richards. That's before he started playing Money Cup. So most persons know him when I play Money Cup, but I started seeing Dujan Richards from Colts and most of the players from Stats, most of the players from Georges, most of the schoolboys that you're seeing playing Money Cup right now. I knew them from they were playing Colts. That's the reason. That's actually one of the perks of actually covering these games. You can see some of the future budding talents coming out. And without a doubt, he was the name being talked about right throughout the Colts competition because at that point in time, he was scoring crazy amount of goals. Nonetheless, at present moment, all those hard work that he has put in has led to this. I want to say you have done a lot of work. You have put in the hard grain. And this time is now for you to reap some level of reward. But guess what? This is where the work really starts. All that preparation was for the work. All that preparation that you put in was for the work. The real work starts right now. Now you're going to go in an environment where you're going to see players at your level, your talent level. The difference is the mental aspect, how much you want it. How much you want it more than they do. Because you will see players your level, maybe a little bit below your level, at your level, are higher than your level, but it boils down to how much you want it. That's what it, the hunger, the desire, the passion, the professionalism. These are the small aspects that separates you from the ordinary players. These are the small aspects. That is why it's important now. Stay grounded. Remain humble. Be polite. This is where everything, all of those training that you have been through, the off the field training, in just being a human being, is going to be implemented. Congratulations on your move. Well done to your manager, that's Craig Butler, in putting all this through. Well done. Well, real good good work from him. And also, well done to your father, who have been a major support. Big up Richie Royalty. You have done a major proud. You have done a major amount of work on this young man, letting him become a better person, a better version of himself. You have really put in a lot of work, and as a father, I know that this is the point in time where you must have feel extremely proud to see this happening for him. I'm sure you are feeling that feeling right now. So Congratulations to all the parental figures around the young man who give him this opportunity. As I said, people, he's 17 years old. He's not a big man. Most people, people are saying, boy, 17, you're a big man. My point of view, 17, you still need a your parental concern for almost anything you do in life at 17. But yes, you might look big, you might physically look big, you might talk big, but most of them are kids, are fend from them. They're not fend for themselves, most of them. But in the same sense, definitely, there's a lot of preparation that has been put into this, and now is the time for him to really, really double the amount of work that he has done all his life, because you're going to the professional realm now where you see what it requires and you know what it requires, and you know this is where things get real serious. So congratulations, well done, and I'm hoping that things really, really work out for you. We'll be here supporting, we'll be here listening for the good news that you have signed for a particular club. Anywhere in Europe, definitely, we're here to support. Listen, there will be talks, people are going to talk anything. You will have people say about this and that. You will find people looking out for downfall. That is the reality. But remember, focus on what you want. Focus on the journey that is ahead. Focus, keep your mind set on the target. Don't worry about those things. Those things are natural aspect of being in the profession. That profession itself, that's football. So keep focused, keep grounded. Don't forget God. Don't forget God. Remember where we're coming from. Remember the hard work we're putting in, and that is the only way you're going to really, really reap all of that. So these are the aspects, just as I said, these are the aspects in which you're going to thrive on, in which you're going to see that level of success. And congratulations, I can't say it enough. You have done well. You have worked extremely hard. Everyone has put in their pound of flesh in making this happen. This is your moment. This is your time. This is your opportunity. Make it count. Make it count. Stay balanced. Stay focused. Don't forget any of those aspects. Stay balanced, stay focused, remain humble, and your entire future is in your own palms. So, big up again, people. Well done again. And me say it one more time. Anyways, people, massive respect. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys again on the next video. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. Anyways, people, MG Sports TV, people, and we are out. Boom. Bakum.